Now, viewers, we have breaking news coming in on another front. This is with relation to former UPA-era Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde, and he, at the launch of his new book, has made a remark wherein he narrates a story about how he was asked to go visit Lal Chowk, the iconic Lal Chowk, and Dal Lake in Srinagar, and according to him and his narration, he was extremely scared at the time and he was afraid to visit Lal Chowk. Let's listen into Sushil Kumar Shinde. In fact, we'll just play that sequence out for you, but this is what he has said during the launch of his book, and his remark is a very telling one. He was the Home Minister among the Home Ministers under the UPA, and it was during his time, of course, when a number of events had happened with relation to Kashmir. Let's now listen in to Sushil Kumar Shinde.
विजय भाई, जब मैं होम मिनिस्टर था उसके पहले मैं उनके पास जाता था और एडवाइस भी मांगता था, तो उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा असली एडवाइस किया कि सुशील बोले, तू इधर उधर मत भटक, तू लाल चौक में जाके वहां भाषण कर, कुछ लोगों से मिल और डल लेक में घूमते चलो ऐसा। और वो एडवाइस से मुझे बहुत कुछ पब्लिसिटी मिली और लोगों में एक ऐसा होम मिनिस्टर है कि जो बिना डर के वो जाता है, लेकिन मेरी फटती थी वो किसको बताऊंगा। सच्ची है, नहीं वो हिंदी लेकिन हंसाने के लिए मैंने बोला, लेकिन ऐसा एक्स पुलिस वाला ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है। लोगों के साथ बात की, क्या तकलीफ है उनको पूछा कि जो उस वक्त उन्होंने बोला तो सही में यहाँ
मेरी फटती थी मैं किसको बताऊं. This is a turn of phrase. I mean, of course, he hails from Maharashtra, Pragya, which is why he has chosen these choice of words, but it's very telling. He was the last home minister at the end of 10 years of the UPA, and this is an admission coming from him. What are we to infer from this? Over to you.
Well, we have seen pictures of Rahul Gandhi, and not just Rahul Gandhi, but also Mallikarjun Kharge visiting a famous ice cream parlor and a restaurant in Srinagar. This is how safe people are feeling in Srinagar today. And not just that, we had visited Srinagar, we had visited Lal Chowk. There were celebrations of Tiranga, there were celebrations of Republic Day at Lal Chowk. There had been many instances where even BJP leaders used to recall how they had to
that is a very pertinent thought, but I beg you to hold on for just a second because we have former Jammu and Kashmir DGP SP Vaid joining us. Mr. SP Vaid, you were an active police official at that time. The Home Minister of India was in his own courts. Fatti thi unki. He was afraid to visit Lal Chowk and Srinagar. What do you make of this remark?
I think it is admission of the situation then and now. The improvement in situation now, I think it is very clear, because if Union Home Minister was scared of going to Lal Chowk, so what could be? He is the most protected person in the country, and what could be the situation then? I think that itself is admission of how things have transformed in Lal Chowk in particular, and the rest of Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir, the whole state in general.
One further question to you, Mr. SP Vaid. 2012 to 14, when he was Home Minister, Sushil Kumar Shinde, was that a particularly troublesome period in the insurgency in Kashmir? If I am to understand right, it was only after 2015 where things got hot again, before the 2019 abrogation.
See, the worst period was in last 35 years was 2001 to 2002. That was the peak period of violence, 2001 and 2002. If you see the level of the violence, and 90s, of course, was very, very bad all through. But 2001 and 2002 were the peak years of violence. Your question of 2012 to 14. Things were not that bad, if I recall, because I have served there for 35 years. Yes, there was little bit of law and order, but as far as terror violence is concerned, 2012 to 14 was not that bad.
Right.
In fact, things deteriorated only after Burhan Wani incident of 2016. Then things really turned bad, and I had to face that.
Absolutely, absolutely. Mr. SP Vaid, thank you so much for setting the timeline straight and for your assessment. We have another former DGP, Dr. Vikram Singh, former DGP of Uttar Pradesh, joining us. Dr. Vikram Singh, what does it bring to your mind when you hear the Home Minister of the country, former Home Minister, speaking about his time in office and saying he was afraid to visit Dal Lake and Lal Chowk?
This is nothing short of an unmitigated disaster. And what a letdown. We had Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man, and we should expect the Home Minister of our country to be a man of steel, invincible, and expect him to go into the valley of death, road the 600, and here you have one person who is reciting the Hanuman Chalisa. It is absolutely demoralizing and disgusting and disgraceful all in one go. I could have said a lot more, what I had expected a lot more from the nation's Home Minister. But at this level of the Home Minister, no wonder we had, 2611, and we had so much of Naxalism, we had so much. Because when the leadership is absolutely supine and incapable or unequal to the task, you are quoting the recipe of disaster. I'm extremely disappointed, to say the least.
And just one further follow-up. What does it imply that now in Lal Chowk we have the Tiranga flaring all the time? In Dal Lake we are able to take members of European Parliament. We are able to hold G20 events. Is this now a case in point about normalcy, the fabled normalcy over which there is always such a debate?
There can be no comparison into the disaster that was and absolute paradise on earth what it is today. I must compliment the government of India, the paramilitary forces, and our valiant army for giving us back and redeeming the paradise that was lost and paradise regained now.
Well, thank you, Dr. Vikram Singh, for joining us and sharing your views. Viewers, you heard there two former DGPs, and they had very strong remarks to say about what a former Home Minister said about his time in office. If you didn't hear that the first time, here it is once again, Sushil Kumar Shinde.
विजय भाई, जब मैं होम मिनिस्टर था, उसके पहले मैं उनके पास जाता था और एडवाइस भी मांगता था। तो उन्होंने मुझे एक ऐसा असली एडवाइस किया कि सुशील बोले, तू इधर उधर मत भटक, तू लाल चौक में जाके वहां भाषण कर, कुछ लोगों से मिल और दल लेक में घूमते चलो ऐसा। और वो एडवाइस से मुझे बहुत कुछ पब्लिसिटी मिली और लोगों में एक ऐसा होम मिनिस्टर है कि जो बिना डर के वो जाता है, लेकिन मेरी फटती थी वो किसको बताऊंगा। सच्ची है, नहीं वो हिंदी। लेकिन हंसाने के लिए मैंने बोला, लेकिन ऐसा एक्स पुलिस वाला ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है।
Kavinder Gupta joins us now, former Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. Just two things I'd like to talk about. It's no laughing matter. Two incidences from the past. We had another Home Minister, Mufti Muhammad Saeed, during whose time as Home Minister, his daughter was kidnapped. And then also in history, Narendra Modi, then not a Chief Minister even, had gone and unfurled the Tiranga at Lal Chowk. Having said all this, Mr. Kavinder Gupta, what do you have to say about Sushil Kumar Shinde's remarks?
देखिए, आखिर सच निकल ही आया मुंह से। अभी इनके नेता, जो बड़े नेता कांग्रेस पिछले दिनों गुलमर्ग जाकर के बर्फ के साथ भाई बहन खेल करके आए हैं। पिछले दिनों चौक में जाकर के सेल्फी भी खिंचवा के आए हैं। वो लाल चौक जहां दहशत का एक मंजर था और कोई वहां पर झंडा नहीं चढ़ा सकता था। डल लेक का सारा जो वहां से लेकर के हिंदुस्तान के जब झंडे चढ़ते हैं तो कोई भी सच्चा देशवासी है तो उसको अच्छा तो लगेगा ही। तो आज ये जो शिंदे साहब जो पुराने होम मिनिस्टर है, उनकी जुबान से जो भी निकला है वो सत्य है। सत्य को स्वीकार करना चाहिए, ना कि ये कहना चाहिए कि परिस्थितियां कहीं नहीं बदली। आज पत्थरबाजी नहीं है, आतंकवाद, अलगाववाद, भ्रष्टाचार, परिवारवाद, ये सारी चीजें रोजमर्रा के जो बंद होते थे, ब्रिटेन के जनाजे में लाखों की तादाद में लोग चलते थे, आज वो नहीं है। इस चीज को स्वीकार किया जाना चाहिए।
आपके मेमोरी में ये 2012 और 14 के बीच ये कैसे हालात थे जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में उस समय, जब सुशील कुमार शिंदे डरते थे जम्मू एंड कश्मीर जाने से, श्रीनगर जाने से? कैसे थे हालात?
उस वक्त तो हम भी सरकार में थे। बुरहान वानी और दूसरे लोग, उनका एक दहशत थी और कहीं ना कहीं पीडीपी जैसे लोगों की उनकी सपोर्ट थी। तो इसलिए मैं ये कहूंगा कि 5 अगस्त 2019 के बाद जब ये धारा 370 को तोड़ा गया, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अपने हाथ में लिया गया, एक वहां पर हिला नहीं, ये हुई खून की नदियां बह जाएं लोग कहते थे। आज बीजेपी के समय में स्थितियां बदली है और लोगों ने इसको स्वीकार किया है। करोड़ों की तादाद में आज लोग वहां पर एक टूरिस्ट के रूप में जा रहे हैं और विकास का एक बहुत बड़ा जो काम रुके हुए थे वो भी वहां पर शुरू हुआ है। और वाकई में एक नया कश्मीर, इसको सभी दलों को मानना चाहिए और इसमें सच कहने की एक कोशिश भी करनी चाहिए।
जी बिल्कुल, थैंक यू Mr. Kavinder Gupta for joining us. Viewers, one could actually call this a very candid admission by Sushil Kumar Shinde. Let's listen in to another BJP leader. Let's listen in to Shehzad Poonawala. There from Shehzad momentarily, viewers, but very, very telling remark by Sushil Kumar Shinde about how during his tenure as Home Minister, he was the final Home Minister of the UPA government and reigned in that post for a little over 2 years. And he says when he was asked to go visit Dal Chowk, visit Dal Lake, I beg your pardon, and Lal Chowk, two iconic locations in Srinagar, he was afraid, he was scared, he was fearful. And however, the way he has put it, it is a story of overcoming that fear, because he indeed went there and he says he spoke to the people there. However, the fact that he was afraid to go there and he has admitted it really tells you everything you need to know. Just listen once again.
शिंदे ने बताया है कि किस प्रकार से गृह मंत्री रहते हुए उन्हें जम्मू कश्मीर जाने से कितना डर लगता था, और यही तो एक प्रकार से प्रमाण है कि आर्टिकल 370 और 35 से हटने से पहले जम्मू कश्मीर में पीपीपी, पाकिस्तान परस्ती, परिवारवादी और पत्थरबाजी की राजनीति को किस प्रकार से कांग्रेस और एनसी ने बढ़ावा देने का काम किया, पीडीपी ने बढ़ावा देने का काम किया। आज वो पीपीपी की राजनीति खत्म हुई है और लाल किले से लेकर लाल चौक तक तिरंगा लहराता है। आज डीडीडी, डेवलपमेंट, डायलॉग और डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन की राजनीति हुई है। जिस प्रकार से टेरर हॉटस्पॉट हुआ करता था, आज टेररिज्म में लगातार गिरावट आई है। स्टोन पेल्टिंग समाप्त हुआ है, बंद खत्म हुए हैं, सिविलियन और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस की कैजुअलिटीज कम हुई है और आज टेररिज्म हॉटस्पॉट नहीं, टूरिज्म हॉटस्पॉट बना है जम्मू कश्मीर। जिन गलियों में आतंकवादी गोली चलाते थे, आज वहां पर सचिन तेंदुलकर क्रिकेट खेलते हैं। आज पहली बार श्रीनगर के सड़कों पर ताजिया चलती है, मुहर्रम की ताजिया चलती है।